If you're seeing the message your account has been disabled in the App Store on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got some solutions to help you regain access. This issue typically occurs due to billing problems, security concerns, or account-related issues. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Verify your Apple ID billing address. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, tap Payment and Shipping, tap Billing Address. Verify your account details. Make sure there's no incorrect or outdated information. Solution 2. Reset your Apple ID password. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen, select Tap Sign In Security, tap Change Password. Try to reset your password. After resetting, try accessing the App Store again. Solution 3. Check region for App Store. Open App Store, tap Profile, tap Apple ID, tap Country and Region, select Correct Country. Solution 4. Log in and log out Apple ID. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, scroll down, tap Log Out. After logging out, try to re-log in your Apple ID back on your device. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your account being disabled in the App Store on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.